Meron palang appointment ngayon si Jayden. Tapos huli na ayan. Huli na si Puti nagsabi. Siya naman palang nag-ano ito. So buti na lang. Ito yung maganda pag once na ano. Ito yung maganda pag once na nandito ka sa ibang bansa. And then marunong kang mag-drive, di ba? Kasi pag marunong kang mag-drive, talagang anytime na may appointment, ayan, punta ka na lang agad. O, di ba?
Very good. And now we'll take a picture with our camera. This one here. This little camera will draw a picture and show us if your eardrums are working properly. Want to do that? This one first?
It said to like playground like the frame.
Really? Wow. And guess what? We got a little mountain. See that one there?
Yeah.
That tells me that your eardrum is working beautifully. I'll just write that down. That's your right ear. Here as well. This one. And another big mountain. Look.
That's the same one.
That tells me your ear is working well. Your eardrum. Okay, when you hear the birdie, you put the marble in the cup. So grab the marble. Yeah. Good job.
Una. Huy. I don't know. Hospital ng Basselton. Ayan. O, diba? Tingnan nyo si Jayden. Nakapaa. Ano yon? Sa kanyang tenga. Pinapakinggan. Normal naman. You okay? Nandito na kami sa loob ng sasakyan. So, provide naman nila to. Bago ka papasok ng ospital, provide nila yan. Grabe si Puti. 4:53 siya nagsabi. Tapos yun pala alas 4. Yeah. 4 daw ang ano ni Jayden, ang schedule appointment. Yun pala, sabi ng babae 3:45. So, late na talaga kami. Okay, alis na nga tayo. Mag-bye-bye na. Bye-bye!